Welcome to the Mac video for ERS plots on subgraded base pads on ESB plots. This video describes how to create, update, and delete subgraded base pads on an ESB plot. It is the fifth in a series of videos for QC data entry about ERS plots. Stabilizing in base may have irregular areas that are not included in the ESB plots. These areas can be represented on the plots as pads. This is an example of an area that would be represented by a stabilizing pad. The blue area needs density testing that is not part of the ESB plot. Navigate to the ERS project and click on the Logbooks tab to expand it. Select the ESB logbook from the Display drop-down list. We will also apply filters to see if there are any pads already created. Select the refresh option. We see that one pad has been created. Let's create another pad. Select the Create Pads option. A Create Pads dialog box appears. Enter the beginning and ending station for the pad. Here are some suggestions for common labels for pads. Enter a label for the pad in the Pad Label field. We are creating a pad for base. In most cases, you will enter the full pad thickness for a base pad. If this were a subgrade pad, if the contractor builds the entire thickness in one operation, enter the full thickness of the pad in the Pad Thickness field. If the contractor builds part of the thickness in the ESB and part in the pad, enter the thickness that is not represented in the ESB. For example, if the full pad thickness is 20 inches and 12 inches was built and is represented by the ESB, enter 8 inches. We will see an example of this on the pad that has already been created. Since this is base, we will enter 4. Select the Add Pad option to add more pads if desired. Select the Save option. The pad appears above the ESB plots in the logbook you created it for. If you need to make changes to a pad, click on the Pads tab to expand it. Select the Update Pad option. An Update Pad dialog box appears. Make changes to the label, order, or lift thickness as needed. Our base pad is currently listed below the subgrade pad, and I want it to be listed first, so I will change the order to 1. Select the Save option. Now let's update the subgrade pad so we can see how Mac designates the lift thicknesses from the total thickness we entered. Select the Update Pad option on the subgrade pad. The Update Pad dialog box appears. Mac sets the first lift from 0 inches to 12 inches by the value of 12. It sets the second lift from 12 inches to 20 inches for a thickness of 8 inches with the value of 20. To delete a pad, select the Delete Pad option. Let's delete the base pad. A Delete Pad dialog box appears. If you are sure you need to delete the entire pad, select the Delete option. The pad will be deleted. If you only need to delete some of the pad lots, but not the entire pad, do not use this function. If additional lots need to be added to a pad, select the Create Pad Lot option. A Create Pad Lot dialog box appears. Enter the beginning station and ending station of the new pad lot. Select the Save option. Mac creates the new pad lot based on the values entered when the pad was created. If you need to update pad lots, select the Update Pad Lot icon on the row of the lot you wish to update. An Update Pad Lot dialog box appears. Update the beginning or ending station as needed and select the Save option. To split a pad lot, select the Split Pad Lot icon on the row of the lot you want to split. It looks like scissors. A Split Pad Lot dialog box appears. Enter the station where the pad lot is split and select the Save option. To delete a pad lot, select the Delete Pad Lot icon on the row of the lot you wish to delete. A Delete Pad Lot dialog box appears. Select the Delete option. The pad lot will be deleted. This concludes the Mac video for ERS ESB Pads. Thank you for reviewing the training. The next video in this series will briefly describe how an ESB plot is used for walls. If you need assistance with Mac, contact your local district application coordinator. For assistance with ERS, contact the local district materials and research office earthwork specialist.